Okay, welcome back to the 2020-21 school year. This is for Intro to Computer Science. Just to go through the website a little bit, I'm going to start out, it's going to have your syllabus. So this syllabus right here is what we're going to cover this year. There's a bunch of stuff. It's the whole year. The first unit is really have a lot of hands-on stuff in the classroom. So we're going to have to modify that and on how you do those hands-on things and submitting some videos of you doing activities that you normally would have done in the classroom, but we can't do them in the classroom at this current time. And really focuses on problem solving and problem solving skills and applying your you get a lot of creative freedom with some of these things. We're going to create some web pages, going to create some games. So by the end of the year, you'll get to make a game that people can play, you can share on your phones, all those different types of things. So just to kind of look through the page, we're going to have, currently this is the home page, which is the syllabus, shows what we're going to go over, your modules that we can get to here. But mainly what we're going to use here is we're going to use a website called code.org. I'm going to go over here and grab it and pull it on the screen for you. And so it's going to look like this. You're going to get an invitation to sign in. And when you sign in, I'm going to put a link on the page. And you're going to be in this course right here, Computer Science, Intro to Computer Science right here. And you're going to have some stuff to do. So our first assignment is just going to be you getting to this page right here. And so you're going to create your own password. I say keep it simple and use your school email. That's going to have an access code to get you to here. You're going to have to use a username. So please, the username should identify you. I should be able to look at your work and know that it is you and not have to figure out your nickname. So make it simple for me and you. Don't try to recreate something new. So make sure all usernames are school appropriate. That shouldn't have to be said, but there you go. We're going to do several different things in here. So the first thing that you're going to do is get signed into code.org and have your account created, and then I will make assignments from there and tell you how I want you to submit the things. So we're going to do a series of puzzles and challenges and real-world scenarios that will help teach you the computer science. Doing HTML code for web pages, doing as the CSS, so how to make your website web page look better, creating games, creating sprites, how to tell the game what's going to happen, and so you're going to do storyboards and come up with the theme of your game, what's going to happen if your character touches something good that's going to score a point, or if it touches the enemy, which is going to lose points, or cause the character to start over at the beginning or be eliminated completely. So those are it's a pre done curriculum. We're going to add some stuff in to it, and hopefully this will get you ready for next year to where you could do the Ivy Tech Computer Science class, which is a dual credit class where you go into some more in-depth game or programs that people write for businesses and things like that. So make sure that you create your account, and I'll have a brief assignment that you can do. Make sure you do your attendance, and so that if you create your account tomorrow on Tuesday, so that on Wednesday we can get into the assignments for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Look forward to seeing you guys back later in September. I'll come out with a Zoom scheduled so where we can meet once a week so that you can ask me questions and meet the other people in class, and we can share some ideas about what computer science is and how we're going to use it.